The next segment is about my education. So you should be on page 9. So 9, this graphic is from Eric Clapton's album Stairway to Heaven, which he wrote when his young son fell out a window and died. So I've just edited Stairway to AC. So if you go to the next page, it's blue, it's a blue page. This is my tale of returning to education later in life. So my return was a result of a conversation I had on a train. The stranger told me he had gone back to university when he was 40 to study history. So my journey started at Faircroft College, Birmingham, UK, where I studied humanities and social studies for a year before going to university. That took me to Birmingham University, where I studied management for another year. The Erasmus program gave me the opportunity to study at MUIC in Celia, where I went for 3 months but actually never went home. Okay, then before I could teach I needed a CELTA, so that took me to ECC Language School in Siam Square. Life as I knew it stopped for a month. It's a very intensive course but extremely useful for teaching. I learned so much in a very short time. So by now I'm teaching at AC, but I needed my teacher's license. So I enrolled at Sunan Dusit Ratchapat University, which is now called Dusit University. And I studied there for a matter of months back in, I can't remember the year. Okay, and this is my, I don't know, is it my 18th year at Assumption? Okay, so the next page is white with a green border. This is my degree, if you want to call it that, from Faircroft College. On the next page, you will see a record of achievement. That's just one page. That's how they gave us the record of our work for the year. It was one academic year. On the next page, you'll see a side view of my degree from Mahidol in Thai, and on the next page, it's the same thing, but it's in English. Then you will see my transcript from university. And now, if you're on the right page, it's titled The Resource Centre. When I was at MUIC, I worked to pay towards my fees. I worked in the Resource Centre, helping students with their research papers, which was quite an interesting project. Next, we have the University of Cambridge CELTA, the certificate, CELTA, Certificate in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. An amazing course. Thank God I passed it. And then you should be on page 18, where you will see my transcript from my teacher license training at the Ratchapat. Okay, page 19, you'll see evidence of me attending an educational seminar. Let's move on. I don't really want to talk about that. And then, where are we now? So that's the education, right? And I will finish there for now. Okay, moving on.